This is why we repair or prepare. Look at there. It's still snowing. Are y'all getting this? Whew. I'm wanting to say this is about as deep as it was last February. Hubby has the bra in his truck. I still have never shoveled snow in my life. Got a fire going. Fixing to make some chili. Sit by the fire. Thankfully, we did not need anything from the store. So you all stay safe out there. I'll have some videos up soon. But right now, we just want to get through this. It's very cold. So you all stay safe, stay healthy, stay prepared. You never know what'll happen.